Hello everyone. So this is wait, draw wrong. Okay. Hello everyone. So this is my peer of the day. Um, I just want to put out the mistake that I'm doing right now. And first, I did really enter the trade very fast instead of going. And second, I'm also holding the trade, um, which is a very bad mistake. So the mistake I have is first enter the trade too fast. Without looking again and pre-analysis. So, okay, and then second mistake is holding the tray. Okay, so I'm gonna explain the first mistake that I'm doing. The first mistake, it was like in the morning of the time. My eyes was getting tired. I need to find a way that to get myself up to get into. And very important part that I'm doing is like I wasn't really calm at that stage of the mind. I was at the stage like, oh, New Year's coming, and it was everything was in my head. It's like New Year's coming, you can't miss the prize. And I was creating a lot of things that are FOMO and not getting. And the reason why I explained of the story of my first video that why I want to take a trade as a buy is because of, of that. Like I wanted to make money, and the thing is the point, get a trade. So at that point, I was feeling that, but the good part is I didn't put real money, so I put a demo. And the reason I'm feeling that way, I wasn't really comfortable to put real money because it's the way I am feeling of that emotionally, mentally, and it shouldn't be that way. I should be calm and ready for what I need to do. So that I'm also catching on at that point, and I love that feelings, but it's not working out for the way once I put the train. So I'm super aware of that and try to stay away from that stage of the mind that I could able unless I perfected my trade on the demo. So yeah, um, what else what else I'm improving? I am improving to control my emotion, and I am improving of control um, of once I open the chart and look at it and just took a trade without a blink of the eye. So I'm controlling that and emotion improving that, and also and the money management from that area I will approve it very good to 100% of the way. Say my account is $15,000, I'll put 150 because that is the area that is very good price to get into, and I would like to put money like that in it. So control of the money management, what I really to lose from there, and what else I very improve on is also be aware where I'm at as a story. So the story is gonna be at that. It's supposed to be on the monthly because of this. Okay, real quick, just do that. So this is here. Here's the last buyer. They hold a couple range from here and the breakout, and then here's a P and an S. They didn't go down, so basically here's the area of the S, and and yeah, there's a P and an S right here. Come here. So this is on the monthly. It's on the monthly. So then I put it on the weekly, and To me, I'm very aware that is also is creating a range, and really don't like that enter this area of this um, red candle, pretty strong of the memories of it. So which right now I'm holding a trade, so that's the point. Right now I had no choice, so I had to really hold on it, wait for the next day, uh, not next day, today, of 3 hours ahead when the market is open, see how it plays out. Oh, where'd it go? I'm sorry, that's my, oh, okay. See how the market, how it plays out. Um, and yeah, I'm in a stage where I'm at, like, very aware. So the maximum I could able to go from here and see how they going to play out from here. It'll be cool to watch it. Uh, daily. What else I need to say? Yeah. So if I'm planning to do on the, I think that's basic that I want to say. Hopefully it should back down, should back up for a secondary for the sell for that area, and I'm watching how does it react. If yeah, how does it react? Is the sales going down like this? It would be a chance to go here and just take my profit from here. That is what my P of the day of holding the trade, which is I don't like to hold the trade. Um, in my personality, I actually, the way the emotion that I have in the beginning, I want to take the trade fast and go and ready to crush it. Um, yeah, I'm still training myself to find a way to get a trade and a better way, and also, how do I say, maybe it's something I could improve, that just be patient. Again, like I could be patient all the time, but when I the patient go overboard, I miss a trade. So that's the thing that I always had to go back to practice, and that's all. That's all. That's my P of the day. What I did on my trade, I just take a trade because it was demo. But I didn't like the feelings to put real money in it because I was not perfected on my skill yet. Anyways, so that is my video, and it's my P of the day.